Ethical and legal. It aligns with both societal moral standards and legal regulations, in contrast when an action is ethical but illegal. It means that while the action is morally justifiable, it contravenes existing laws or regulations. This disparity often arises from outdated or unjust laws that haven't kept pace with evolving societal ethics. Let's discuss the implications of these situations. Ethical and legal. These scenarios represent that illegal alignment of moral principles with the legal system. When actions are ethical and legal, they comply with social norms, community values, and legal frameworks. Examples include helping others, volunteering at a soup kitchen, or donating to charity is both ethical and illegal. Ethical and legal. Environmental conservation. Recycling and supporting conservation projects align with environmental ethics and are legally permissible. Fair labor practices. Paying fair wages, providing good working conditions, and respecting workers' rights are examples of ethical and legal business practices. Next is ethical but illegal scenarios arise when the law doesn't reflect current ethical beliefs or when illegal restrictions contradict moral imperatives. Here are examples illustrating situations where ethical actions might be illegal. First is civil disobedience. Individuals engage peaceful protests or acts of defiance to challenge unjust laws or policies. This was hallmark of the civil rights movement for activists like Martin Luther King Jr. led peaceful protests that broke segregation laws, believing that justice required confronting these unjust laws. Next is assisting refugees. Offering aid to undocumented immigrants might be illegal under certain immigration laws, but many people consider it ethical but help those fleeing violences, persecution, or hardship. Next is environmental activism. Direct action by environmentalists such as blocking deforestation or disrupting harmful industrial activities might break the law but is often motivated by deep sense of ethical responsibility to protect the planet. Last is whistleblowing. Whistleblowers expose corruption, fraud, or illegal activities within organizations or governments. Although they might be violate confidentially agreements or other illegal constraints, their actions are often seen as ethical because they aim to promote transparency and accountability. In these scenarios, individuals or groups act of a sense moral duty despite the legal risk. The outcomes of such as action can range from social change to personal consequences like fines or imprisonment. The ethical but illegal approach underscores the tension between legal structures and moral evolution, suggesting that laws sometimes lag behind society's ethical progress. Ethical but illegal actions often catalyze social change, leading to legal reforms and a evaluation of social values. That's all. Thank you.